Welcome everyone, welcome to Trendsignal, our trade of the day. So today we're just going to catch up on the UK100, the FTSE, that we had a look at yesterday and was live. And also we'll have a little look at the DAX, the German GER40 as well. So let's have a little look. Where were we yesterday? Well, yesterday, as we did our trade of the day, you may remember, let's get on to the UK100. You may remember we were literally just passing through, we just passed through our starter limit. So that was 62 points versus the 40 pip stop on this trade. And I did mention that just before we did that trade, before it hit that level, we'd already put out a note that we would extend in our limit down to the extended limit of 165, with the provision that we're going to manage that trade. We are not just going to, if it fails, we are not going to blindly let it go all the way back up and be a losing trade. So yeah, this one moved through its starter limit. There we go. And that's where its starter limit was. Moved down. That was 62 points. Moved further down, and then just before 3 o'clock, I put out another note that we were closing this trade for 127 pips, which gave us just over a 6% return on this trade. We also at the same time had the DAX running. So let's just have a little look at the DAX. And it was basically the same situation. Here we go. Here's the entry. Remember, the red circles are shorts, green are longs. So this was that short trade, and it was very much the same. We had a stop here, an aggressive stop, 48 points on this trade. Our starter limit was 185. Again, put out a note that we were going to move it down to that extended limit. The US opened, both of those trades dropped further down. This one didn't really get down below there, just started pulling back up. And again, we put a note out just before 3 o'clock that we were going to close this one. And we were out of this one for a bit more than the starter at 226 points, or just over 9%. So between the two trades, good result, just over about 15.5% return on those two trades in less than 24 hours. Let's have a catch up on last night's trades as well. We had a few trades from last night. So first one, another index trade. Here we go. This one, starting limit 136 points. Straight down. It's not a huge number for the Hang Seng. Down it went, hit our 136. We were out and done on that trade. Some of the other valid trades. Pound yen. Here we go. So pound yen, let me just click on it. Here we go, get the setting right. Starter limit 60 points. We've already been through there. Literally just before we did this, before I started this. So we've taken our 60 points on that trade there. Again, a little over 12 hours. That's not bad. Euro Aussie. So Euro Aussie. Here we go. So Euro Aussie got off to a good start. Here we go. Down it came, and it got quite close to our starter limit. This green line down here didn't quite get there. Pulled back, and then mid morning we manually closed the trade for a few pips. Not many, neither here nor there. But what we weren't going to be doing, remember, it's not about any of these individual trades. It's about the sum of all these individual trades to give us our objective. And that objective is to make money. So we were not going to be watching this trade pull all the way back and potentially hit our stop. So we're out of it. Small number of pips. Collective over the group of trades is then a good result. Thanks very much. Bye then.
Want to learn how to find profitable trades like this? Register for our free trading webinar and discover the strategies that turn you into a confident trader. Prefer a more hands-on approach? Schedule a one-to-one walkthrough with a senior trader. See our software in action and get those questions answered, and take control of your trading journey.